Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to customize fonts and layouts in Ideogram AI. Let's get started. So what can you customize? Ideogram AI allows you to control how text and layouts appear in the image by modifying your text prompts and choosing the right style settings. And here are the step-by-step guide. First, go to the Ideogram AI and sign in using your account and start a new prompt. Tap your message or design idea. For example, bold 3D text that says summer vibes with playful font, centered layout, beach theme background. Then here, use a descriptive font styles in your prompt to tell the ideogram how you want the text to appear. Example keywords are bold, cursive, graffiti, calligraphy, minimalist, retro, and more. Then customize the layout in prompt. Describe where and how you want the text and elements arranged. Lay out the keywords and you can use centered, overlapping image, text only, and more. Then select a style preset and this optional. You can select typography, poster, cinematic, or no style. And use negative prompts. To avoid layout issues, you can add no extra text, no background clutter, no shadow, no duplicate words, and tap generate and wait for the styled results. Ideogram will produce four options. And after producing the four variations, tap the image to enlarge it and download or retry. If not satisfied, you can tweak your font or layout keywords. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.